All right, let's be honest. If you've got a pool, you already know it's not just a pool, it's a full-time job. Leaves, bugs, pollen, mystery fuzz floating around like it owns the place. Let's not even talk about the endless net skimming sessions in 90-degree heat. Whoa. But this sleek little solar beast right here, it might just be my favorite pool gadget of 2025. Say hello to the Betta SE Plus, the new version. And yes, it looks like a miniature yacht. But the real question is, does it actually do what it promises? Is it really worth the upgrade over the old one? I've been running this non-stop for weeks, and today, I'm telling you everything. The moment I unboxed it, I was already impressed. It comes with its own padded carrying bag. Classy touch. Pull it out, and bam. You've got this smooth, solar-paneled skimmer that looks like it belongs in a James Bond movie. I dropped it in the water. Didn't touch it again for 3 days. Not because I forgot, because it didn't need me. It just glided around the pool like it knew exactly what it was doing. And spoiler, it did. So what's different about the new SE Plus version? Let's break it down. First, dual charging. That means solar power by day, and if you get cloudy weather or shade, you can plug it in for a quick top-up. Full solar charge gives you 30+ hours of cleaning. That's wild. No babysitting, no unplugging. It's just always working. Second, the new salt chlorine tolerant twin motors. These things don't quit. I've watched this robot push through leaf storms, petals, bugs, even those sneaky little pool insects that float right at the edge. Gone. Scooped. Like magic. And the ultrasonic radar navigation? I watched it head toward the steps, hesitate for a second, then back up and reroute around the stairs like it was thinking. Not kidding. It even dodged the pool vac hose most of the time, unless I purposely tried to mess with it. Here's where this thing really earned my respect. I didn't have to do anything for days. I'd wake up, look outside, and there it was. Still moving, still collecting debris. The basket? Massive. I only had to empty it every few days, and even then, it took seconds. Lift the latch, dump the basket, rinse, pop it back in. Done. There's even a clear window on top so you don't have to guess if it's full. Just peek in and you'll know. Small detail, but makes a big difference. Oh, and the remote. It's not one of those silly paper-thin remotes you lose in 5 minutes. It's chunky, feels solid. You won't use it every day, but when you want to direct the skimmer to a leaf pile in the corner or bring it over to empty, it's super handy. Okay, nothing's perfect. So here's what bugged me a little. If you've got long twigs or those stringy flower stalks, they can jam up the intake. I had one day where a bird decided to build a nest in our umbrella. Betty, yeah, we named her, ended up choking on some nesting material. Quick fix with needle nose pliers, but still, something to keep an eye on. Also, if your pool's pump is running full blast and the water current is strong near the skimmer basket, it might trap this guy there temporarily. But once the pump cycle ends, it usually backs out on its own. So, is the Betta SE Plus worth the upgrade? Yes. 100% yes. This isn't just a shiny new version with a different label. It's smarter, tougher, and way more hands-off than the old one. The dual charging system alone is worth it. Add in the better motors, the upgraded navigation, the massive debris basket, and the build quality. You're looking at a skimmer that actually earns its keep. I haven't touched a net in weeks. My pool looks great every morning. And honestly, it's weirdly satisfying watching this thing do its job, like a little floating pool butler on autopilot. If you're tired of spending time cleaning your pool instead of enjoying it, this might be your favorite upgrade of the year. If you've got questions I didn't cover, drop them in the comments. I actually read them and reply. I'll also pin any updates if I notice anything new over the next month or so. Hit that subscribe button if you love smart gadgets that actually do their job. And if you're thinking of picking one up, I've got a link in the description period. Feel free to use it, and yes, it helps the channel out. All right, stay cool, enjoy your pool, and let the robot do the dirty work. I'll see you in the next one.